All right. There we go. There we go. All right, team. Let's get the ball rolling. So, new week, new trading week. So let's see what's gonna happen. We got finally Jackson Hole meeting approaching. So the the days that I expect, hopefully they don't chop us, but maybe Wednesday might be a chop day, maybe just because Thursday starts this whole meeting in Jackson or whatever. So I think they might chop us on Wednesday. So let's hope for tomorrow and Tuesday. Some solid action. So far on the daily, SPY did hold a good upside trend on Friday. It didn't move up like its normal ATR about $6, but a little $3, maybe $4 if I'm not mistaken. Move. It wasn't that bad, but at least it didn't show like downside continuation. I can honestly say that it looked like the Q's and SPY was trying to change character a little bit because it's been getting sold off for 3 days straight prior to that, remember? And when I spoke about Zoom on Thursday, I was telling everybody, you know, Friday could be a day that it could start reversing, and it kind of did. So whatever what we went over on Zoom Thursday basically kind of played out. I played calls, Nami played calls too. Um so what I'm expecting a level to try to test to see if we really go into the upside. It's probably gonna be, let me see, not the Qs. I want to talk about SPY. But wait, before I talk about this, let's talk about ES because ES looks like it's putting in a morning star. So look at ES, guys. Green doji, red candle after 3 red days, and look at this green one. It's already open. Obviously, futures is green as well. So I don't really go off of futures, but I'm just letting you guys know that it's green. And if we get a possible morning star, then the Bulls should come into play tomorrow into possibly Tuesday, and then they could probably, like I told you, Wednesday might try to sell us off or keep us in the range until that meeting comes on Thursday. So um I like I told you guys, this looks like a solid morning star, and the NQs does, oops, sorry. Yes, let me put it up on the other side so you guys can see comparison. The NQs have the similar pattern right here. You see, it's just that one is honestly it's just the doji color is the only difference, but it's still valid for a morning star. So I'm looking at this level to cross on the NQs to like try to validate my morning star. I got dashes here. So if it crosses above that, so the 148 around 25 zone. And yes, it's kind of is this some, let me see. Let me see where I got I know I got lines over here too. Oh, damn, I changed it. Hold on. So I got, oh yeah, I got a line around 43.98. Yeah, on ES for the morning star complete. So let's see. All right, let's dig into some. I mean, let me talk about SPY and Qs, and then we're gonna dig in some names. So tomorrow, SPY, I'll say a level to watch for sure is gonna be that 440. I'll watch 440 around there to see how we react and hold to see if we got some strength. But overall, it looks like it's trying to create some type of upside move. We got to bounce here. This is not really in our favor, so this needs to start like showing some strength of turning because lately the market has been rejecting. I'm not gonna lie. So if the market is rejecting and tomorrow it wants to do that to us because the MACDs are still dark red and is in the negative side. Oops, sorry about that. We definitely gotta watch the area that we were playing calls on. What the hell's going on? Sorry. The area that we were playing calls on was the 447. Oh, I'm sorry, not 447. 437. I apologize. So 437. Look at that area as a reject tomorrow if they really gonna reject us, and or even 436 around there, because like you can see the wicks happening around here. So we gotta just be prepared. So that's why I said I want to wait till we get at least to 4 440, because that's a good move to the upside. And remember, our ATR on SPY is usually $6. So if it goes to 440, that's a good $3 move from 437. So it could give us some type of conviction that, all right, SPY could possibly continue up. So we got to watch this range. All right. Um, Overall, I'm leaning towards the upside. Like I said, the daily looks strong. NQ, ES giving us morning star vibes. So I'm more upside. So let's go with the Qs now. The level that we should watch on Qs is it's gonna be most likely. I'll watch the 360s area, 360-50 area, I'll say. I'll put alerts on it, of course. Set them up so I can hit the chat. I'll say 360-50 area to see how it reacts. But same concept I have on SPY with the Qs is I like how it's trying to build some strength on the RSI, but I don't like how it's very, very heavy on the MACD negative and it's still red. And with it's kind of increased to the red. So the if the red bars were equal height, then I wouldn't be so worried, but it's kind of increased slightly. So gotta be cautious. So the reject area on Qs, it would be, hold on, team. The reject on Qs will be around here where basically almost closed at. So if we open higher, it's probably gonna want, I'll watch this area because if it does open higher, it's futures green, just watch almost the 359, 360 area. So right before my alert, I'll say, not even right before, sorry, way before we hit the alert. So that 360 area is key. Now, if it does crack 360 and it rips the alert, just be cautious around here. Might have to take profit around 360.80 to see if it really rips. Now we get above the 200, then that's when I'm saying, okay, everything's loosened. The bulls could definitely come out and rip at least to 362. So that's not bad. Overall, let's see what happens. But I'm bullish so far. Hopefully, we get regular price action. So let's talk about some name. I got PayPal on the list. Let's talk about PayPal team. PayPal, not bullish candle. Look at this one. Y'all already know what type of candle that is. It's bullish engulfing. Beautiful support on the RSI here. I like how we finally got some downside on the MAC, and it's still with the pink tint. So that means the bears are getting weaker by the day. So easy. I think the easy upside watch will possibly, it's gonna be around here. I'm gonna want to watch PayPal. Oh, sorry. Uh, Around 60, 60, I'll say. Since we're watching PayPal, you already know I'm gonna talk about Block. We was already talking about Block actually on Friday Zoom. So Block is coming off a great buy zone. This is the big area where Block likes to bounce off of. What are my things that way? Uh, Hold on, guys. My shortcuts ain't up there.
Sometimes that happens to me too, broski. It just disappears.
Yeah,
But
I had it right
I don't.
here. I don't know why.
Yeah, I don't think it'll come back up unless you restarted it. So just hit the paintbrush where you already got highlighted, and you'll find your rectangle right there.
Uh, Thank you, my brother.
Sure.
This is definitely a buy area for Block. So we got a big candle. Is not in the one on PayPal is way stronger than this one because the one on PayPal overlapped the prior price action. So this one is still a good candle though, because look how many days Square already sold. It already sold almost 2 weeks. So it's a good opportunity that it's gonna bounce at this level. And look, it's already bouncing off the RSI zone, which is indicating where it's oversold. So the oversold signal is giving us the bounce. So we just gonna wait for a level to clear. I'll say I'll say I'll watch right here, right here. I'm gonna watch this level to get comfortable at 58. I'll say 40. Yeah, 58, 40 level on block. So PayPal and Square kind of in the same sector. I also like a firm. So let's talk about a firm earnings too, Thursday. So if we catch this and it's uptrending, second continuation of a Friday, then you know you'll be my guess if you want to leave some if you go heavy. But this is a straight up double bottom right here. So lines is touching. I mean bars is touching. So it's a double bottom. This is almost a bullish and go. Just a wick kind of messes it up. But as we know, none has to be perfect, right? So we're gonna go watch a firm above my uh yeah, I think there's a good level to watch it. Yeah, we're gonna watch this almost 15. If we get the 15 calls, that'll be good because if anything, you could go for 15 and a halves too, knowing that they have ER. If we're bullish, they look like they're gonna be. I'm still on. We're right here. So just be cautious when it gets to the 50. If we do crack, if it gets to the 50, it could reject. So don't hold the whole position. I would trim. I mean, that's almost a 60-cent move from there, so that's not bad. But everything lines up to the upside. This looks good. The Mac looks good too. It's just it's very heavy lately because the Bears been in the environment, unfortunately, for the past 2 weeks, in my opinion, maybe more. So yeah, look, I'm missing an area. Look, this thing even bounces over here. So this is definitely a buy zone for a firm. So if you guys see a firm ripping, be my guest. Go check out Upstart and SoFi, of course. But I don't got them on my list. So those three I like. Next is gonna be Campbell Soup. Let me see. Campbell Soup. I like this double bottom right here that Campbell Soup is putting it on the RSI. It looks like it definitely doesn't want to go lower over here. So this is why, and I like how it's getting closer to the white line on the RSI. So it's giving me a lot of conviction that Campbell might start trying to pull in some strength with ER approaching. So it's not a bad one to watch. I'm gonna set an alert around here to see if I want to hold it for ER date 4360. Because then if it hits that, then if it breaks 4420, then it has the opportunity to visit these price levels. Not saying that's gonna go to the 50, but it'll be great. Let me delete this because it's definitely. But there's another one. Be cautious because they have ER. So if you want to swing it, keep in mind that they have earnings approaching. I don't know about swing. I'm only in KMI swing right now, so not looking for any swings just yet. Let's see how the market opens. J&J, damn, J&J was a good short on Friday, man. So this might be this is a bearish play, by the way. This might be second day of short. So there was an alert of 163 that hit, and J&J went to like 161. I mean, not 173. I apologize. There was a lot of 173 that hit, and J&J went to like 170, 150 almost. Now it's still showing signs that it could drop. It could drop at least to 168 area right here. Everything's saying it does. We got triple top RSI. Once it rips this support on the RSI is going to cliffhang. And this doesn't look pretty at all. This looks heavy. So the level that I want to watch, yeah, I'm happy that it closed at 173 and change because now we get an opportunity to get back in. So I'm gonna watch 173 again on Monday, tomorrow, basically. Sorry. So I'm gonna watch 173 one more time to see if it wants to flush under like it did on Friday. That was what I had the alert at. So, oh, there we go. Next one on the list. Oh, RTX. RTX looked crazy on Friday. Yep. Look at this. So RTX is obviously loving to this zone right here of 84.90. It loves to bounce there. It bounced already multiple times. And the bounce is solid because it's a continuation bounce. It like goes for 2 days over here, 2 days over here, 2 days, and we could possibly get the 2 day right here. I mean, it kind of bounced Thursday, but Friday was the solid one. So right here, put 3 green moves to the upside. This one was 3 moves to the upside, so we could possibly catch the next one. So I'm gonna watch RTX around here. This 86.50 zone looks good. This looks good. Look, it pivoted already off the RSI, showing strength. It wants to go higher. This increased on Friday, the highest it's been all week. So the Bulls is definitely in an RTX. And another one that I was talking about that I actually took on Friday was LMT. So LMT breaks this web right here. There's like everything 21, 50, 200. If once it breaks that, it's gonna go nuts. So I'm gonna put an alert around here for you guys. It looks like it's ready to squeeze if you ask me, but we'll see. What do I know? All right. Look, everything's ripping upside. This looks crazy. This looks crazy. Yeah, LMT RTX, watch by the end of the week, be way higher than what we spoke about now. All right, next. Merc. Got some health. Merc. Merc gives me a lot of bullish vibes. Once it breaks this resistance on the R side is good. I love how it's holding the 50. Just hate the wicks that it's building. So we got to be patient on this one. Everything's screaming upside though. This 110.90, yeah, because 110.90 breaks this level and breaks this wick and then tries to break this. And if that breaks, we're going up here. So just wait for that alert to hit. Is there already? Yeah, definitely. But it's been consolidating, so it shows that it holds this price level ever since this day right here on Monday, the beginning of the week. It's been flagging basically slowly. So let's go. It looks strong. I like how it's holding that 50 on, so it doesn't want to go under. So Merc, I think that's it for health. Matter of fact, let me talk about Myrna because I heard you guys talking about Myrna. Let me talk about Myrna. Let me see what I can see. Okay. Now this is a tough one because it put in a red candle on resistance, and that's not a weak candle either. But this is showing that the bulls might come in strong any minute. Look, these guys, the Bears are about to get wiped on the mat. So this is gonna be tricky. I'll put an alert around here. But the Mac and the RSI kind of looks bullish. The RSI, the only reason I say it looks bullish, I'll tell you guys right now, is because it's super extended. It did hook down, obviously, because of that red candle. It's gonna hook down, but it didn't drop all the way down here. And tomorrow's a new week. It could be a sorry. It could be a bull flag rip on the RSI. Just start pivoting and rip up. So this is gonna be interesting tomorrow. The move is gonna do. I wonder how it's gonna play out. Very interesting. UPS. UPS is moving fire on Friday. I also mentioned it on Zoom. Yeah, we got one, two, three, four, 5 red days on UPS. Finally, a little reversal Friday, and the reversal managed to smack some color off the Bears and turn them light pink. So Could be a good sign for a bounce on UPS, and RSI looks like it's being conducted to the upside. So I'm gonna watch this area over here, the 173.15 on UPS to see if it's real. Hold on, guys. 173.15 bulls. They do not have earnings, nothing. So this be a regular technical play. This small account play looks interesting. Let me make sure that's the right one. Hold on. You see, I knew it. All right. This one put in the real bullish engulf and the cleanest one I've seen actually out of the chart. The tickers I've been looking at. So everything's going up, guys. Everything. So as soon as it cracks here, it's ripping. So I'll put the alert for you guys. Maybe do they got 12? Yeah, I believe they do got 12 and a half. I'm gonna put 30. Think they got 12 and a half. Pretty sure they do. Verify again, 1 second. Got my phone on my hand. So it's not gonna take long. Yeah, they do. They got 12 and a halves. That'll be the one. I wouldn't want to take the 15s. I'll be straight up. If it ain't the 12 and a halves, I'm not taking it. So 12 and a halves on that one if you can catch it off alerts. Okay, Generac. Generac look fire. I know Clap was talking about Generac during the week on Thursday or Friday, but it looks ready to make another move to the upside. Basically this little gap area that I have in between these dashes. I'm just waiting for that to fill. I believe it could do it. So that level's around what? 119.70. It don't matter. 7 cents is eight 8 cents. It's not gonna make a difference. All right, 119.70. They got 120 calls or 125. Depends on the price action. You could definitely grab the 125s, but I'll probably take the 120s just to make sure I print possibly go to 124 and change. But everything's saying bulls. Nice little double bottom on the Mac. You don't see that a lot. We already crossed on the Mac. I mean RSI, so nothing weak about this one. Generac, okay. Neat energy. See how Knee looking for the gang. Knee looking decent. True, we got a little break above this TL, and there's a good move to the upside. So I'll watch Knee around here, gang. It's not too far away from my volume profile line. See if it goes up. But we look good. Look, it's just making out the RSI. And this looks good too. The Bears are slowly getting washed away. Let's see what else looks good here. Small account. UEC. Let's see why UE. Yeah, UEC looks good. Yep, I knew it. It's about to rip. So this one. Wow, this is crazy. The market's been trading like garbage, but this thing's just steady trending up. It wants to hold, guys. So all we need is one good strong move with hopefully the whole market to rip it more. So we're at what, three? I'm looking at the $4 calls or even 4.5. Let me see, 4.5s. Hold on real quick, guys. 4.5s. Yeah, because this thing could go to at least to 420 in about 2.5 weeks. And that's a good number. So I'll go for the 4.5s if my alert hits on this. So my alert is gonna be this. Remove this. Then what happens when we get right at Bali? I want to get 395. That's a good area to watch. If this goes, you can watch quadruple U's. You. They usually move together. I don't have it on my list, but they usually move kind of together, so it's an easy play to play both of them. CCJ. Oh wait, did I go over the RSI? Yes, I did. No, I didn't. No, I didn't. Also, look, UEC, look, bullish here. Look, double bottom too, nice. And increase, look. Oh, sorry. Increase on the bar right here, so strong. Might want to watch energy tomorrow, team, as well. Let's see. What CCJ, yeah, CCJ. Look, CCJ got a bullish engulfing team, fire. So CCJ breaks above here. We can watch it. See, 35, 35, 35. Like that number. Bullish across all indicators, everything, even this. So we got a pink change, so it's still strong. It's probably why I stood holding this price channel on the upside because the MAC still positive. If it was negative, I'm pretty sure would have nosedived. CCJ looks good. Watch that. What else we got? General Motors. I like this 3-month chart. The 3-month chart on General Motors is solid. It's a beautiful, beautiful buy zone. Like crazy. This is where this thing always goes. Not always, but as you can see, likes to react to the upside. So it's been down for what? About a week. And then every time it goes up, it rejects. So maybe it's a change of character tomorrow. Almost a real strong candle to overlap this one. It's just the wick that's killing it, but it's all right. We're still gonna pay attention to it. We're gonna watch this. I wanna see if we can get in before the halves. So let's do 345 on GM. But yeah, it looks good. Looks like it wants to be oversold, exhausted already, turning. I think once it breaks this resistance, then we're gonna start seeing some more strength. This needs to start pushing a little bit higher, but it's still good. It's pink at least, and it's cascading lower. It's not increasing, it's getting lower. So GM gets a push, and this don't look like a bad swing, to be honest. After the tumble it took. Hog, Harley Davidson. Mm, another bullish engulfing team on the hog. Yup. Fine. All right. So more watch Harley Davidson around here. Oh shit. My bad. Hey, this looks strong. It looks like it doesn't even want to get comfortable in the negative area. Hopefully it starts turning a little bit more, but Hog looks good. Hog is literally bouncing off of this kind of resistance area and resistance turn support theory right here. Reject, reject, kind of rejected here, but now it's bouncing, so it's good. Which it did over here already twice prior. This was resistance turn support 2 times, so it's a good area to bounce hard. Let's see what else I got. KVH. This is a nice bounce on KVH. Right here, look at God. This is where it broke out, where it had its little rally, and it respected that price level here. And now it looks like it's respecting it again. So just be patient on this one. We wait till we get over here. Say 85. Let's get the 50. They definitely got 50 calls. This is in our favor. This needs to start getting in our favor. I don't like how it's increased. needs to start getting smaller or change. But something's gonna happen. Either gonna go lower or higher. So if I do see it selling off, I'll put an alert here just to be safe on both sides. To go shorter. Let me see. 20, 47, 20. All right, what else I got? Um, AI. AI might be the last one again. Let me see. Let me verify after I'm done talking about it. So AI, oof, AI had a rally, but look, it's bouncing right off the 200, guys. So we could catch this one for a nice upside move. We'll wait till we get here. Brother, nah, what's this? 32. I'm gonna say 45. Try to get the 32 and a half, but they got ER approaching too, so that's gonna be interesting, very interesting. So right here looks good for a bounce. This looks good too. At least it's pink and it's smaller. So ER is when the 31st. So that's next week. Not even close, but it still could be a little ER run up. Never know. AI has been the talk in the winter, especially in the tech space. So let me verify to make sure I went over everything on my list, because I think that's it. Let me see. Okay. Oh no, missed one. 5, 9. No, five below. Sorry. Yes. All right. Bounce off the 200. Yeah, I like this one. Nice bounce off the 200. Look, kissing RSI. Mag 2 looks ugly, but it still shows that the Bears are surely getting weaker. But this has ER. I didn't even know that. When is it? Wednesday? Oh, next week. All right. But yeah, just watch this level. I already got my dashes there, but I'm gonna put my alert. 198. Let's watch 198 on five below. They definitely could rip higher, especially with earnings approaching. Yeah, yeah, this is a beautiful buy zone right here. All right. Any tickets y'all want me to talk about, team? That was the only one that I was missing.
Leo wrote forward, brother.
Forward, I just got the message. All right. Mhm.
I can see why he likes it.
Yeah, it's bullish.
Bottom feeder.
Damn, that's how you're gonna treat Ford, Leo. You're gonna smoke it on puts and then you're gonna buy right back up, bro. You're a savage.
Yeah, yeah, it's bullish on all cylinders. Yeah, he's probably gonna get the 13s. Yeah, Ford could go definitely go. This is super buy zone on board. I'm sorry, Ford. Yeah, definitely, Leo. I'm bullish. I'm pretty sure you are.
Runs well with GM too.
What happened, my brother?
You like your GM play, so it runs well with GM as well.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, they're
Yep,
10 charts, yeah.
yep, exactly. GM and Ford. Yep, yep.
All right, so we're just buying 100 of those $13 weekly calls at a penny.
Yeah, for sure.
Flip them at 10.
Let's talk about Tesla real quick then. Okay, Tesla, you try and put in the morning. If it loses this low on this, oh man, it's over. It's gonna go to here, bro, and then bounce. So Tesla's gonna be one to watch too, low key. I think it'll be the only reversal if it does put in the morning star. That'll be crazy. All
Yeah,
right.
weekly 220s can print, bro.
Yeah, hell yeah, bro. 2 weeks. Like not for nothing, I'll be a wild one and try to catch a nice little bounce in just 2 weeks. Swing calls and hold it.
Yeah, what are you doing? 230s?
Bro, I'll do 250s or even two, like 280 something, 285s if I get a good bounce.
Like
Those,
2 weeks out.
I like
two,
it.
Yeah,
That's my
that's a
style
Nami.
right there.
That's a Nami style to the T. Bro.
2 weeks,
2 weeks
yeah,
out,
bro.
285s, bro.
Yup,
Ooh.
That's
yeah.
some daredevil shit.
We're
I
gonna
Hey.
fucks
watch
with
this.
that. I like it.
We're gonna watch
I
it
like
tomorrow.
it. Thank you, bro.
You're welcome, gang. All right. I'll see you in the morning, all right?
Appreciate it, brother.
Right now, man.
All right, be safe, man. Have a good night, everyone.
You too. I think.
All right.
As well.